Lucy, yeah, I forgot to turn on the audio with my last video. Sorry. So let me just recap a little bit what I was trying to say in there. So basically the gist was I was trying to say you are accessing your character object. Specifically, you're getting the name, and I can show you how that is the case. If we click over here, you can see this little stop sign. That's how we make the debugger go on. So let me just close this and make a game class. And let's see. Let's start this. How do we start this guy up? Play. And so there are no characters in the current room, so if I go south, then this debugger is going to pop up. Okay, so this is the BlueJ debugger. Let's see, and what it does is it kind of, wherever you put the stop sign, it runs the program until it gets to the little stop sign, and then it stops. So, but it also gives you kind of a back trace of where you've been. So we started out with here at this call to play, right? And you can see here it shows you the instance variables that you had set up and everything. So, but maybe the best way is to go backwards and look at it that way. So if we back up to get name, what did I do with my headers? If we back up to where we stopped, so this method got called from room when you said get character string. Okay, and that's in this room method right here. So the way that you accessed your characters is, so you did this nice collection of characters here, this hash set, and so now you're looping through and pulling out all the whatever characters got added to this room. So this is the iterator stuff that's covered in chapter 4, but basically what's happening is this iter.next, just this piece right here, is returning a character object. And like I said, chapter 4 kind of covers this in more detail about how that's working. And once you get a character object, then you can call get name on that object. Okay, so the same idea if you want to call get text or whatever. Okay, you can do that. And like I said, this debugger gives you a nice way of tracing back. So get character string got called by get long description. You can see the call right here to get character string, and get long description got called by go room. Okay, so once you have the room object, see here now we're in the game class. Once you have the room object, then you can call the get long description method on the room object. And that stuff that is covered in chapter 3 on the object interactions. And then let's see, go room was called by the process command, and the process command was called by play. Okay. So yeah, so this debugger is a really nice tool that you can use. There's more description on it where in this unit 6 here on so there's a piece on object interaction, and then there's also a video. So this is the object interaction stuff I was talking about from chapter 3, and then there's stuff on the debugger here. Okay, so sorry about the silent video, but hope this helps.